Hi there, my name is Christina Yeager, and I'm a technical trainer at Video Insight, which is a member of the Panasonic Group. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about the web client, which is basically the internet version of the Panasonic VI software. Okay, so to view your cameras and your recorded video, you don't have to have the Panasonic VI software client installed on your machine. You can just go to a website and be able to see your cameras and your recorded video. Okay, so it's possible. There may be an icon for it on your desktop. The only thing you really have to do is double click on it. If you don't have the icon, you're going to come up here. You're going to get the IP address of your server, the server you want to connect to, and put it in here, and then /video insight. Okay, so that's going to be the way that you get to your login screen, which looks like this. I'm going to go in and put my login information. And my password. So this is the same username and password that you use with the Panasonic VI software. It uses the same user tables inside the database, so it's going to authenticate to you either way if you log in here or if you log in with the Panasonic VI software. Okay, so I'm going to click sign in. And it's going to log me in to be able to see all of my cameras on the Fremont server. It's only showing me the Fremont server because that's the IP address that I put here in the URL, in the link to this web page. Okay, so right from the start, we have a search bar, just like we did in the Panasonic VI software. We have the 3 different views that we could use. We have the enterprise view, which was what we're seeing now, the server with all the cameras beneath it. Next to that, we have our facility map view, which is going to show us all of our different facility maps. You click on it, and it's going to pull it up for us in the main window. Next to that, we have our layout view, which is going to show us all of the different layouts that we have from this server. Okay, clicking on it is going to pull up that layout, and then actually dropping it down is going to show us all the different cameras underneath there. Okay, so very similar to the Panasonic VI software, but like I said, this does not require the client to be downloaded and installed on your machine. You just need to go to the website. Okay, so I'm going to go back to Enterprise View real quick, and I'm going to double-click on one of the cameras. What it's going to do, it's going to bring it up in sort of a picture box, sort of a, it's going to dull out the background noise of the website. And it's going to show me my recorded video. And we have a timeline down here, just like in the Panasonic VI software. We can click on the timeline, and it's going to bring us to that video. Now keep in mind, this is all streaming from the server. So depending on the bandwidth from whatever location you're accessing this from, if your connection is slow, it's going to be slow in retrieving some of the recordings. So don't panic if it takes a little bit longer. It's just trying to grab those videos from the server. Okay, so what we can do, we can move this with our mouse as well if we want to kind of find the correct time. We can come in here, we can select a date on the calendar. We'll go to the 30th, and it's going to load and show us all the different recordings that happened. We can click play, and it's going to start playing from whatever time we specified. Okay. Over on the right here, we actually have a way to bookmark, just like we did in the Panasonic VI software. So we can add a bookmark or view the bookmarks that we currently have. And we also have next to that an option to clip the video directly from this recording. So we, in the same fashion that we did inside the client software and the Panasonic VI software, we can move these bars, double check that we have the correct time up here that we want. We can include the watermark or we cannot include the watermark. We click this yellow download button here, and it's going to download the clip. Okay, so this is a much easier way to get to your live video, to be able to just pull it up. If you're not at your workstation where it's installed for you, you can come, you can pull this up as long as you have access to those cameras and as long as you're on that network, on your internal Tesla network. You can come see all of the cameras that you have access to, pull them up, be able to view your recorded video. And like I said, it's a very easy way to get to some of your video and clip some of that video as well if you just need something quick and on the go. Okay, I want to thank you